All right, this is tier. Oh, that's supposed to be underneath. This is tier 1. Courtney, here we go. The last 4. This has 4 cards in it. Devi, number 2, 300. Nick Heath, rookie, number 2, 300. And then Jim Tomei and Andrew McCutcheon, game used jerseys to $2.99. Wolfman. Got honey in that voice. This one has 3 autographs. Carlos Correa, 30 of 50 jersey autograph. And Devin Williams, number to 300. And Luis Arias, number 2, 300. Keeping it 300. But you unleashed the lion. Miguel Cabrera, gold, 8 of 10. Silver signing. Multiple Migs. Shane McClanahan, number to 300. And D. Strange Gordon. I've always known him as D. Gordon, not D. Strange. I've always known him as D. Gordon. Alright, last pack of it all. In class today. Another one of those die cuts. Didn't hit any in the first few cases. Now we got 2 in this one. That one's Christian Yelich, 25 of 25. Piazza and Bellinger. Double jerseys. Game used. Piazza, Cody. Alright, there you go, Courtney. I appreciate all the breaks. I will get all these tier 1s on the way. You got a big old mountain of them. Thanks, Courtney.